This 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a BRYNEE teak interior, sleeps 10, refrigerator, water heater, oven, awning, TV, microwave, skylight, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2800BH is 7,128 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.